Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure Apple Cash is active in Wallet and your iPhone is updated. This avoids authentication failures. Next, open Messages and select the contact or start a new thread. Once done, swipe the app drawer and tap the Apple Pay icon. This is your payment interface. You do this first because Messages securely links to Apple Pay and your wallet. Using a thread ensures the payment targets the right person and records the transaction automatically. Now enter the exact amount using the numeric keypad. You can include cents for precision. Make sure to pick the funding source, Apple Cash or a specific card, because that determines fees and limits. Once you tap Pay, you can add a short note for context, then authenticate with Face ID or Touch ID to authorize. After authentication, Messages will show a preview. Confirm it because this prevents accidental sends and ensures the payment posts to the intended card or balance. Finish by tapping Send. The message turns into a green payment bubble when the transfer succeeds. Then open Wallet or tap the payment in Messages to view transaction details and a receipt. This confirms the amount, funding source, and timestamp. If something goes wrong, try one key troubleshooting step. Check iOS updates and that Apple Cash is enabled, because outdated software or disabled settings are the most common blockers. If that still fails, verify the recipient's app.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.